How to fix Valorant Black Screen on startup. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Valorant Black Screen on startup. So the first thing you'll need to do is to disable full screen optimization. So go ahead and right click on Valorant executable file or its shortcut on your home screen. For example, this is the Valorant app. Right click on it. And then from here, go ahead and click on properties. And then head over to compatibility tab and then check disable full screen optimizations and then click on apply and OK. Now, if this doesn't work, another thing you can do to resolve the problem is through launching Valorant and immediately pressing Alt and Enter on your keyboard. This forces the game into windowed mode, which often bypasses block screen issues. Now, another thing you can do is to go ahead and reinstall Riot Vanguard. So to uninstall Riot Vanguard, first go ahead and open the control panel on your device. So you can use the search bar to look for the control panel. And then on the control panel, click on uninstall a program, other programs, and then in here, look for the Riot Vanguard application. So once you find it, right click on it and then click on uninstall. And then restart your PC and then launch Valorant again. Vanguard will reinstall automatically. And that is how you can basically fix Valorant Black Screen on startup.